A pair of track records went into the books on Wednesday night, August 18th at the Meadows. In the ninth race on the card, a preferred trot, Rembrandt Spur went right to the front, cutting fractions of 27-2, 56-2, and 124-4, while Master Begonia, driven by Dave Pallone, sat patiently in the pocket. In the stretch, Master Begonia headed for the inside and went right on by, winning in 153-2, a new track record for older gelding trotters. The previous mark of 153-4 was co-held by 3 horses, including Master Begonia. 3 races later, in an upper-level filly and mare pace, Idol was sent right to the front from the outside post by driver Brett Miller. The Jim Pollock trainee hit the quarter in 26-3 and never looked back, reaching the half in 54-2 and the three-quarter pole in a blistering 121-2. Miller asked for more in the stretch, and the 4-year-old mare responded, covering the mile in 150 flat, equaling the record set in 2008 by Go On BB.